I am Arushi Arya of standard 10th है and we have made the carbon purification model. हम लोग का एम था इस प्रोजेक्ट को बनाने का कि हम लोग पॉल्यूशन रोकना चाहते हैं। तो ये एक फैक्ट्री है जिससे कार्बन निकल रहा है और ये वेट क्लॉथ है, भींगा हुआ कपड़ा। जब हम इस बैटरी की मदद से इसको रोटेट कर रहे हैं, ये जब रोटेट हो रहा है तो कार्बन जो भी है इस पे स्टक हो रहा है। ये ब्लैक सब्सटेंस आप लोग देख सकते हैं जो कार्बन है। तो ये एम था, हम लोग मैसेज देना चाहते थे कि हम लोग कार्बन मतलब कि जो भी पॉल्यूशन है फैक्ट्री से निकलता है उसको स्टॉप करने के लिए कोई मेथड निकालने के लिए। थैंक यू।
Morning, I am Supriya Sandeli from class 10th and I am present here to introduce my project work, and this is a nuclear power plant we made with waste electricity. In this model we said that in this nuclear power plant the waste electricity was stored and going by process and then it is converted, and this is the new electricity was regenerated and we got new electricity from waste electricity.
है कि हम समाज में लोगों को जागरूक करना चाहते हैं कि हम गंदे पानी को स्वच्छ करते हैं, और साथ ही साथ आप देखते हैं कि इंडस्ट्रीज़ के जो गंदे इफ्लुएंस हैं वो रिवर में जाते हैं और उनको पोल्यूट करते हैं। जो भी मछलियाँ रहती हैं, जल जीवन होता है, जो चरवाहे अपनी गायों को भैंसों को वहाँ चराने लेके जाते हैं, उनकी मृत्यु हो जाती है। तो यहाँ पे हम गंदे पानी को साफ़ करने के लिए एक मेथड लाए हैं जिसका नाम है WWTP। इट इज़ कॉल्ड वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट। इसके माध्यम से हम आपको ये बताना चाहते हैं कि गंदा पानी किस तरह से स्वच्छ हो रहा है। यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे जो बड़े बड़े स्टोन्स हैं, छोटे स्टोन्स हैं, ये सभी पानी को साफ़ करने का काम करते हैं। और यहाँ पे ये कॉटन है, ये पानी से जितने भी माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स और इम्प्योरिटीज़ हैं उनको एब्जॉर्ब करेगी और यहाँ पे साफ़ पानी निकलता है। और इस साफ़ पानी को आप खेती बाड़ी, इरिगेशन और कई पर्पसेस के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
इसका उद्देश्य यही है कि हमारा जो ग्राउंड वाटर है वो डिप्लीट ना हो, जल्दी वाटर कंजर्वेशन रहेगा। और मतलब वाटर को जनरेट करने के लिए जनरेटर यूज़ होता है जिसमें कि बहुत ज़्यादा फॉसिल फ्यूल यूज़ हो जाता है, और उससे बहुत सारा ग्रीन हाउस गैस भी निकलता है जो कि सोलर एनर्जी के थ्रू नहीं निकलेगा। बहुत कम सोलर एनर्जी के प्रोसेस में बहुत कम फॉसिल फ्यूल यूज़ होगा और हम लोग अपना फॉसिल फ्यूल बचा भी सकते हैं, ग्राउंड वाटर को भी डिप्लीट होने से बचा सकते हैं।
Here we have shown the working model of smart city. In smart city we use the technology to improve the urban mobility and reduce traffic congestion and increase the safety and efficiency of transportation system. Here we have made the charging point and vertical wind to generate the electricity, and our futuristic train Vande Bharat, and there is a dustbin, smart dustbin, and here we have the solar panels in which the street light blows, and the underwater tunnel and the mountain tunnel. That's all.
Model of nuclear power plant and smart city. Nuclear power plant is also known as the nuclear generator or electricity generator. In nuclear power plant, by the process of nuclear fission, uranium is changed into heat. Uranium is converted to produce heat energy. By the heat energy, the water transported to the vessel is converted into steam, and by the pressure of steam the turbine moves, and by the movement of turbine the electricity is produced, and this electricity is transported to the whole city. Here this is the model of smart city. Smart city means the city which provide all the luxurious facility to live a smart life to the people of the city. According to Indian government, a smart city has the facility to all the facilities to live a healthy and good life. In this, the facilities should be proper sanitation, health, education, proper adequate amount of water supply, lighting, metros, transportation. All the facilities should be provided. Infrastructure should be modern. The people should be connected to the government and by each other by the internet. Safety of the people should be taken care by the government. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. So this is a project about automatic fire detector and extinguisher. In this project we have described how many fire disasters happen and we just distinguish it. So according to NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, a report in 2011 said that a total value of $329 billion property has been destroyed and vanished in fire, and annually $2.1 billion property get destroyed by gases and fluids. So this is a project which focuses on distinguishing and extinguishing the fire without any manual support. So here we have applied an infrared sensor which detects fire and heat and start the pumping of water. In this sensor, the sensor is very high power, so if a little ray of sunlight also hits it, it starts working. So I will show you a working model of this project. Good afternoon everyone. This is a working model of buzz wire game. It helps us to boost our concentration power. It is observed many times that small children are busy with their smartphones, but this game helps them for their mental growth. Thank you.
I am a student of class 9A, and as you can see this, they are the class 9A students, and we have made this project. This model is a smart city model. If you can look at this, there is nothing space from which one can climb ladder and reach there. Reason? There is solar panel, electricity. So to keep the children safe, we had blocked the path to come here. And this is a special model. As you can see, in 10th flat or 12th flat building, there is the model is this. Many of you can see some buildings in the India goes up to 20 to 30 floors, and their upper path is blocked. The upper path protects it from heat, and it is works as a heat insulator. And if you can watch there is only one house, and this is the agricultural house. The reason why there is only 2 flat house, it is a vast region. You can see the solar panel. If we had to put there one house, it also had to be 2 flat if it is 2 flat, because if it is 3 flat, it shadow block the path of the sunlight. And as you can see the smart city model, and I have a dream that Barauni should be like this. And if I get the chance that I am studying in St. George and some scholarship, then I will definitely transform Barauni like this. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Divika Dipti from class 9th and we came with a model of an earthquake alarm. So before share about this model, I would like to give you a short information about earthquake. An earthquake occurred in every countries like Japan, Nepal, and some other countries. It occurs frequently. But to prevent this, we made an earthquake alarm.
We are the students of class 8th and we have made this project of hydraulic bridge, working model of hydraulic bridge demonstrating how the fluid pressure can lift up the heavy loads. So when the fluid pressure is passed through the syringe, the bridge gets lifted up.
We can see that it can
Lift up and the ship will be passed through there. It is located in many places in India like in Kolkata, Mumbai, Kerala, Odisha, Rameshwaram and many places in India. And it is also known as bascule bridge or lifting bridge. Thank you.
Exchange the gases. Then the pure blood comes from the pulmonary vein, then it sends to left atrium, then the left atrium sends to the left ventricle, and then the pure blood goes from the all to the part of the body through aorta. Thank you, sir.
This is a model of ropeway. A ropeway is a system that transports materials or passengers from one place to another. These ropeway have been used to transporting as a materials or passengers. It is mostly seen in the hilly areas. It is also used to carry materials, for example, construction materials, ores, equipments and military supplies.
We made the sustainable development model city. That before explaining, we just explain what is sustainable development model city. Sustainable development model city employs and holistic areas that help us to growth and environmental factors. The first thing our project is green infrastructure. Green infrastructure help us to manage the storm water, which help us to not कीचड़. जस्ट लाइक कीचड़ नहीं होता है, रात में इंसान निकलता है तो गिर जाता है, वही को पानी को सोखने के लिए हम लोग ग्रीन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देते हैं. सेकेंड थिंग आवर प्रोजेक्ट इज विंड मिल एंड सोलर पैनल. जैसे विंड मिल हेल्प अस टू जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड द लाइट्स आर ओपन. And the third thing our project is always try to use CNG buses and cars. When we use the petrol and fuel, the pollution are increased and both our future generations are in damage. Always I say that always use CNG bus and cash. Thank you.
Myself Bhumika Raj, I am a stand of class 6th B. They are my classmates and today I am representing about the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. So the solar eclipse, they are solar eclipse that the moon passes between the sun and earth, and that is called lunar eclipse that the earth passes between the sun and moon. And the solar eclipse minimum 5 to 7 minutes last, and lunar eclipse 1 hours to minimum that last. And solar eclipse are visible small area of earth, and lunar eclipse are only for 1 hour to visible, and many places are visible. And thank you, sir.
Excretory system means to remove the waste product from our body. In human body, excretory system called urinary system. It consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of urethra, one urinary bladder and urethra. Kidney are the red bean-shaped organ which present each side of the backbone. Ureter helps to passing urine to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores the urine and releasing from urethra. Thank you.
Renal artery, and this is the renal vein. Excretory system means to remove the waste product from our body.
My name is Ranjan Chitri. I am from Darjeeling. So today we are here to celebrate our science exhibitions. In the science exhibitions we can see a lot of potential of our student. Book knowledge is not enough for our student. We have to give them extra curricular activities and creativity in their mind. We are the teachers. If we effort like these of event with the student, then only we can improve them. So first of all, I'd like to thanks to my entire teachers as well as my student to having this wonderful and fantastic event. So in the future also we do a better science project. That's all. Thank you so much.
So as a Georgian, we can say that the students, they have performed well by showing their ignited minds, and they brought some curiosity to overcome all the difficulties what the purifications of water. And the next we have the smart city, and regarding with all this here, they have shown some curiosity, and with the help of the ignited minds they have shown it into the imagination, which had brought some scientific knowledge, and so that in the coming up years they will have the innovations as innovators and some science exhibitions which can be performed in their life activities like that. And depending on all this here, we have the good faculty members and the parents which have the supporters always. And depending on all this here, we can say that very thankful to our director sir and the remaining all the teachers, dedicated teachers, for their fulfillment and making the students to be in a educated form and by showing their curiosity to them. And thank you for having this one. Thank you, sir.
पहले तो आशीष जी आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हमारे साइंस एग्जीबिशन में आप अपना समय दिए, कीमती समय देने के लिए धन्यवाद। आप भी देखे होंगे हमारे छोटे छोटे नन्हे बच्चे सब साइंस एग्जीबिशन का जो प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह बनाए हैं, कितना बेहतरीन, आपको भी अच्छा लगा होगा। और ये हमारे स्कूल का ये रूल है कि पढ़ाई के अलावा एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम के लिए ये सब चीज़ हम लोग करवाते हैं। बच्चे में मानसिक विकास हो, कुछ आगे बढ़ने के लिए सोचे, फॉर फ्यूचर क्या करना है उसका नेक्स्ट प्लानिंग अभी से करे। ये सब चीज़ के लिए साइंस एग्जीबिशन हर साल हम लोग करवाते हैं हाफ ईयरली एग्ज़ाम के पीटीएम के दिन। और आज हमारा हाफ ईयरली एग्ज़ाम टर्म 1 का रिजल्ट भी है, पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग भी है। हम लोग यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। जिस बच्चे को पेरेंट्स को जो भी परेशानी लगता है कि नए एक्टिविटी में कुछ ये हो रहा है हमारे स्कूल में, जिस मामले में लगे कि उसको मेरा स्कूल थोड़ा सा इस जगह पे थोड़ा सा ये कर रहा है, तो वहाँ वो हमको सजेस्ट करते हैं, उसको गाइड करते हैं और आगे बढ़ने के लिए तत्पर रहते हैं। बच्चों लोग का प्रदर्शनी आप देखे होंगे कितना बेहतरीन है, बहुत अच्छा है, शोभनीय है, सराहनीय है।